Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I want to call this segment Let's Talk About It. A few weeks ago, my mom and I were camping at Mistletoe State Park. Now I knew the temperatures were going to drop, but I did not know that they were going to drop significantly and the wind was going to be blowing as high as it was. Excuse the beautiful birds in the background singing to us this morning. Anyway, back on topic. I did not know the temperature was going to drop with gusty winds, should I say. And it was gusty winds from the night we got there until the morning we decided to leave and cut the trip a day short. Clothing. Always be prepared for inclement weather, no matter what. Now, in my 20-something years of service, I should have known better. However, I only had camping on my mind. I had this beautiful spot picked out, and it was like, I don't know, beginner's luck. And that was the only thing that was on my mind. Like I said, I did not intend on the weather changing the way it did. So I got caught up in, hey, let's get everything else squared away and not thinking about how I'm going to enjoy this weather. Enjoy the sight when I get out there despite of the weather. So I'm going to show you a few items that I'm going to take on my next camping trip. And I'm going to try to do this so you guys can see me a little bit better. Matter of fact, let me angle the camera. So I'm going to start, I'm actually in the camper getting ready to pack up some stuff. But I'm going to start with the your base layer. Your base layer will be your t-shirt, your undershirt, next to your undergarment. And that will serve as your first layer. Also, I'm calling this one, because it's a thin wicker type shirt, I'm calling this one an in-between. And when I mean in-between, that's in between a base layer and in between the mid-grade layer, because simply because it's thin enough that you can kind of wear it if it's like a little bit breezy or whatever, and it'll still protect you from the cold, from cool air or whatever. But then you have your your base. It's kind of like a base too, in a sense, because it's so thin. However, it is what it is. You dress to your warmth or your comfortability. This is also considered mid-grade. Here's some thermal shirts. Your thermal shirts would be your mid-grade, not base. Mid-grade. So yeah, and I'll fold these up a little neater later. Your shell will be your jacket, your puffer, your coat, and I'm gonna even put a sweatshirt in, and I think the sweatshirt will be counted as mid-grade. But yeah, this would be like your shell. This is your shell, your outer layer, kind of like a turtle. Now with the pants, I don't have any long underwear in here, but with the pants, these are made by Mossy Oak, and I have some Realtree, and I also have some BDUs. I also have some other camping gear as far as pants that will serve as a thicker lower base for me to keep me warm in the winter. So that's it for the clothes right now. I do have gloves, I do have hats, I have hand warmers. So I'm just trying to make sure my camping trips are more comfortable in the cooler temperatures. Cold weather for me is something that I will never get used to. But upon my next journey, I will have those items with me. And I guess I'm making this video so you guys can be prepared. Be prepared for all different types of weather. Whether it's raining, whether it's hot, whether it's cold. Be able to dress down. Have them stuff that you can dress down. You can put shorts, you can always put on layers. Layers help keep you warm. You can always peel out of those layers. You can remove the sweatshirt. You can remove the long sleeve shirt and then dress down to your short sleeve shirt. Some of this I'm talking about may not be relevant to some. Some may not winter camp. But me, I'm here for it all. Snow, I take that back. But I'm here for it all, mostly that I am privy to down south. I have my teas on deck. I have a small medicine, which I will do a video on that too. I have a small medicine box. You know, if someone gets the sniffles, hey, we're gonna wipe this thing out so we can roll out with this camping trip for the weekend. What else do I have? Oh, I have hand warmers, and I did not bring those. But I have hand warmers that you put inside gloves. I also have gloves that I did not bring out to the camper to show you guys. But those things will help keep you mobilized during your stay at your campgrounds in cooler temperatures. I cannot say this enough. Please don't ruin your camping trip because of weather. There is nice things to do inside of your camper, but when you have to go outside of your camper to do certain things, you will need to probably be dressed for the weather. So there you have it, guys. Just trying to stay warmer in cooler temperatures and to ensure that my trips are not wasted because of cold weather, because, you know, it's very enjoyable when you get out there, and it's what you make it. You just got to be prepared. Stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. And in case you guys are wondering, the tea that I'm drinking is Butterfly PT. This is my third bag, I believe. I've been drinking this for a while, but it has lots of vitamin C in it. There's some other great properties in here as well, but this is a company that I ordered from off Amazon. I had ordered from another organic farm somewhere else, but this one came up on Amazon the last couple of times I ordered it, and yeah, and I love it. Not only for the color, I just really love the color, but it's really good for you. So, but yeah, and I'll try to list some benefits for you down in the description box below. Thank you for watching again, and please like, share, and subscribe to Adventures with Val. Thank you guys for watching Adventures with Val, and until next time, keep on trekking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure.